Hello traders, welcome to an overview of the WISE indicator for NinjaTrader 8. This powerful tool is designed for traders and price action enthusiasts. Let's get started. The WISE indicator is based on Mac's adaptation of Al Brooks' original technique. It helps traders identify potential entry points based on price action patterns. To use the WISE indicator, you must have NinjaTrader 8 installed on your computer. To have the WISE indicator installed on your PC, you need to download it from Wizdough.com. Please follow the instructions from this video to download and install it. You can also check out the NinjaTrader add-on installation guide. And remember that you can always pause the video, replay, or change the playback speed. After installing the WISE indicator, you can configure its settings to match your preferences. There are several pre-installed templates for the indicator, each designed for a specific use case. Although it works with any chart type, by default, it's optimized for the ES 2000 ticks chart and a 21-period exponential moving average. Now, let's dive into the parameters. These settings control the core functionalities of the WISE indicator. The display symbols parameter toggles the display of letters on the chart. Let's try it. The dual break entry index specifies the starting entry index. From this entry, and all subsequent entries will require 2 breaks in different directions. This is a good example where the entry has prior breaks on both sides. However, this entry has only 1 break and no opposite side break. You may want to set it to 1 if you choose the first entry to be more pronounced. The reset on double top, bottom parameter treats double top and double bottom patterns as new high and new low. Let's enable it. As you can see, when it's checked, this second entry signal disappears. The use engulfing bars parameter counts engulfing bars as second entries. Let's see what happens when we disable it. The profit target sets the number of ticks used to calculate failed entries. Let's set it to 10 and see that we get more failed entries now. Next, let's look at the filters. These settings allow you to apply various filters to the WISE indicator. The Hide Long Signals filter hides long entry signals on the chart, and the Hide Short Signals filter hides short entry signals. You can see now how they work. The Max Count HLLH filter sets the maximum number of lower high or higher low signals per 0 entry. Let's set it to 1 since we are interested in 1 signal of this kind per pullback. The Max Count Entries filter sets the maximum number of entries per pullback. Set it to 2 when expect to trade the second entry. The Hide Inside Bar filter hides second entry signals with inside bars. Let's enable it. The Hide 01 Without 2 filter hides 0 entry and first entry signals without a corresponding second entry. The Max Close High and Close Low Short filter hides bars that do not meet the specified percentage difference between close high or close low. It is common to use 30% to make sure the price has bounced the support or resistance level quick enough. The Hide Entries by Max Risk filter hides bars that do not meet the specified maximum risk in ticks. Let's set it to 6 and see that some entries disappear. The Hide Entries by Color filter hides bars that do not meet the specified color criteria, green for long and red for short entries. Next, let's look at the symbols. These settings allow you to customize the symbols used for various signal types. You can choose a single letter, group of letters, or even emojis to represent each signal type. You may want to use the hash symbol with higher low and lower high if the max count is greater than 1. You can also delete symbols you don't use, but be aware that you may need to turn on Show All Symbol State History parameter. Next, let's look at the appearance settings. These control the visual aspects of the WISE indicator. The symbol padding adjusts the spacing between the symbols displayed on the chart. You can customize the color of the symbols representing long and short entry signals on the chart. The hidden color allows you to hide the symbols triggered by the filters. You can make them gray or transparent to hide completely from the chart. The unconfirmed color allows you to customize the color of the symbols representing unconfirmed or predicted signals. The Show All Symbol State History displays the entire history of symbol states on the chart. You will see the second entry and the challenged symbols at the same time. The signal settings allow you to customize the signals to plot an alert. You can select what symbols need to be plotted. You select up to 12 signals. The alert settings allow you to enable or disable alerts for various signal types and assign specific sounds to each alert. You can find sound files in the NinjaTrader templates folder. Let's enable alerts for all signal types and assign a unique sound to each. Thank you for watching this detailed tutorial on the WISE indicator for NinjaTrader 8. We hope you found it helpful. Happy trading!